Doorbell Footage, a man is captured as he confidently walks into someone's premises, his intentions clear as he proceeds to steal valuable items. With a practiced demeanor, he swiftly collects the items, places them inside his bag, and leaves, leaving us with a glimpse into the world of theft. In this enigmatic nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in someone's yard during the late hours. His actions take an unexpected turn as he decides to sit down without an invitation from the owner, leaving us with questions about his motives.